Hopefully nice and easy for the wife. We're gonna take Fox. Frag, scramp. Come on. Alright. Install it. Turn signal's still on. There we go. She got it. Next one. It is kind of tough having to ride through my rear views, but but yeah, not terrible. I'm glad she's getting comfortable riding. Definitely a cute bike. Comfy?
So much comfier.
I know, it's very light. We're gonna make a right in like a mile.
Right.
Nah, up further, Queen.
Past US 1?
Yeah, we're not going on to 1, we're going past it, I'm pretty sure. I gotta get gas wherever we end up though, because it's bitching at me.
What about here?
Nah, I can wait until we're in less of a shitty environment for you to try and pull out. That bike definitely has enough power to run the highways, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, I'd rather get gas a little bit further up, just where you don't have to kind of cross everything. Ah, fuck, I'm in the wrong lane. So that is an absolute force of habit. Actually, nah, fuck it. They fucking drove like idiots. Does this person know where they're turning? I don't think they do. Maybe here? No? No? Guess no. Okay. Guess not. How about up here? I don't think I've ever been here. Damn, all of a sudden it looked like the burbs. Trying to pull out of there's gotta be fucking hell, because then there's the speed bumps right in the way of it. Oh shit, this is fucking the medical campus for Drexel. Interesting, I didn't know that was up here. Yeah, definitely want to get an exhaust intake, block off fleet and tune for this. Give it a little bit more oomph. Working on rebuilding that, huh? have no idea how long this light is, but hopefully long enough for Shelby to get through. There we go. I was gonna say, it said there was a stop sign there. I did not see a stop sign. I will, however, take this gas. Just because this is an easy one to get into and out of. Yeah, did you forget which button your horn is? No complaints so far?
It feels great, honestly.
Good. Yeah, the only difference is I think your rear tire is a little bit skinnier than mine, but I think it's the same size as the Katana.
I want this going.
What? Oh, yeah. What, you want to get an exhaust and get rid of it?
What?
You want to get an exhaust and get rid of that?
Whatever it takes to get rid of it.
Yeah, I think they make slip-ons for the 500, to be honest. I'll have to look into it. What's going to end up happening is we're both going to get exhausts for our bikes. We're going to install them, and then we're going to have to get tuned. All right. Oh well, louder, faster bikes. What a shame.
I don't need a louder bike. I just love one fixing and I go.
Yeah, I'll double check if it's a slip-on for that or not. I know mine unfortunately isn't. Like, I have to do a full exhaust. Yours, it might just be I can take the mid pipe out and put a different tip on it, basically. I will investigate when we get home. Much better. Now it's not fucking whining and complaining. Down the trolley tracks. Do 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 do. We're right here. Muy excelente. Good job.